Data centers are the backbone of our digital world. They power everything from streaming services to scientific research. However, this comes at a cost. Data centers consume vast amounts of energy, and their appetite is growing rapidly. This surge in energy consumption is driven by our increasing reliance on data-intensive technologies. Cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and cryptocurrency mining are all contributing to the problem. As more people and businesses adopt these technologies, the demand for data centers continues to grow. This in turn puts a strain on our energy grids and raises concerns about environmental sustainability. Two major culprits behind the surge in data center energy consumption are artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency mining. AI, particularly machine learning, requires immense computational power. Training complex AI models can consume as much electricity as a small town. Cryptocurrency mining, particularly for energy-intensive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, is another major consumer of energy. The process of mining involves solving complex mathematical problems, which requires a significant amount of computing power. The energy intensity of these technologies is a growing concern. As AI and cryptocurrency become more prevalent, their environmental impact is likely to increase. This highlights the need for more energy-efficient approaches to these technologies. The environmental impact of data center energy consumption is not the only concern. The financial cost is also significant. Data centers require a constant supply of power, and cooling costs can be substantial. As energy prices rise, these costs are only going to increase. This is putting pressure on data center operators to find ways to reduce their energy consumption and operating expenses. The financial burden of data center energy consumption is likely to have a ripple effect throughout the economy. These costs will ultimately be passed on to consumers through higher prices for goods and services. Despite the challenges, there are reasons for optimism. The industry is actively pursuing strategies to mitigate the environmental and financial impact of data centers. One promising avenue is the transition to renewable energy sources. Many data center operators are investing in solar and wind power to reduce their reliance on fossil fuels. Additionally, advances in data center design and cooling technologies are improving energy efficiency. Furthermore, researchers are developing more energy-efficient hardware and software for AI and cryptocurrency. These innovations have the potential to significantly reduce the energy footprint of these technologies.